and welcome to break 1686 for the 2020 Gold Rush Football Vault Pack. I want to thank everyone for getting the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, April 3rd, 2020. It's 11:54 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:54 p.m. Central Time, and 8:54 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Mara with 4 spots, Just 2, Mitch 4, Corey with 16, CR Mag 1, and Evers with 5 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Mara's on top, Evers on the bottom, once, twice. The retimes 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Just on top, Mara on the bottom. All right, Just with the Cardinals, Mitch Falcons, Corey Ravens, Evers Bills, Mara Panthers, Corey Bears, Bengals, Just Browns, Corey Cowboys, Broncos, Evers Lions, Mara Packers, Mitch Texans, Corey with the Colts, Jaguars, Chiefs, Chargers, Mara Rams, Corey Dolphins, CR Mag with the Vikings, Evers Patriots, Corey Saints, Evers Giants, Jets, Corey Raiders, Mitch Eagles, Corey Steelers, 49ers, Seahawks, Mitch Buccaneers, Corey Titans, and last but not least, Mara has the Washington Redskins. What's the last break? We'll keep going all night if we have to. At this point, whatever sells out, we will break tonight. So, thank you for the question. Whichever team is on this jersey, that's where the card will go. Walter Payton Auto PSA 1991 Pro Set. Authentic Auto of the Walter Payton, number 34. Check that out. Holding a tire. And this will go to Chicago, the Chicago Bears. But check that out. PSA Authentic Auto Walter Payton. All right, sweet. Let's go and see. And that is going to Corey. Congrats, Corey. Walter Payton Auto, PSA Authentic Auto. That is sweet. Thank you guys for getting into the break. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Check us out on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Walter Payton Auto. And that was break 1686 for the 2020 Gold Rush Football Vault. Again, we do have a 2019 version as well. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. Then we're moving on to 1691 for the 2019 Leaf Flash Football Box. Thanks.